so let's talk about how to write the perfect ad copy. So now that we know the basics of our Facebook marketing, we know who our perfect customer is. Let's go and write to our perfect customer and write an ad that they will engage with. So you'll see here it says our 4-step simple formula. We actually use 3 steps because of the way we do our ads, but feel free to just add the 4th step on here. We don't really, because of the way Facebook is set up, we try to use value, sell versus giving them a deadline and some kind of huge discount off for them to click on our ad. But whatever you are more comfortable with, by all means, do it your way. But we do 3 steps versus the 4th step. So the first step in all of it is calling out who you're talking to. So you want to refer back to your customer sheet. So if it's a busy mom, you want to call her out. If it's a real estate agent, you want to call them out. And the example we give here is, hey, real estate agent, or hey, busy mom. If you're talking to a complete subdivision and you want to call out that subdivision, so you could say, hey, Fairfield resident. And that way, they know that, we're offering a deal in Fairfield. Or I'll give you an example. When we ran, we said, hey, Sterling Ridge residents, we clean over 50, or there's 1,500 residents in your neighborhood, and we clean over 400 homes within your neighborhood. So we call them out. We didn't really ask them a question, but which will bring us to the step 2, is ask a question. So step 1 is call them out. Step 2 is ask a question, and that question should be surrounded by either a desire or a pain point. So desire being, hey, busy mom, how would you like to get those windows cleaned, or something like that. A pain point would be maybe busy mom doesn't have time. Hey, busy mom, are you tired? And we use this example here. Are you tired of waiting on your husband to pressure wash the driveway? So step 1, we call out who we're talking to. Step 2, we ask the question. And then step 3, we answer the question with us being the solution to their problem. So in this case, we use the example, wait no longer and take advantage of our driveway cleaning special. So the whole ad should look something like this, right? Put a deadline on it. If you want to put a deadline on it, go for it. But because the way we run our ads here, we don't really put deadlines on it. Because, and here's why. Hey, this sale ends by Friday. Well, then what do you do next Friday? So it's kind of like we run the same ad, same special, and then every Friday it's, hey, this special ends Friday. So we try to do value, sell, to where it's like, hey, listen, you need us more than we need you. So that's kind of the way we make our Facebook ads. But this is a good way of getting people to click on your ads as well, is say something along the lines of, this deal will end, Friday. So hurry up and click on my ad. So here's the whole ad. Step 1, we call out who we're talking to. Hey, busy mom. Step 2, we ask the question: Are you tired of waiting on the husband to pressure wash that driveway? Step 3, we answer the question. We'll wait no longer and take advantage of our driveway cleaning special. And the last step would be to add a deadline to it. Book before Friday and receive, $20 off, whatever you want to give off if you want to do that route, which we don't typically go that route. We will, during slow season, you may see us do it, but 9 times out of 10, we don't do it. So there you go. That's how you write the perfect ad copy. Step 1, call out who you're talking to. Step 2, ask them a question. Step 3, answer the question with you being the solution to their problem. And step 4, put a deadline on the ad along with an offer. So hope that helps. If you guys have any questions regarding your perfect ad copy, post it within the private group and we will answer it.